तो एक कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री है जो एक फिक्स नंबर ऑफ क्या बनाते हैं, पॉटरी आर्टिकल्स बनाते हैं। एक दिन ऑब्जर्व किया गया, इट वाज ऑब्जर्व्ड वन डे दैट एक आर्टिकल को बनाने के लिए कितना एक्सपेंस हो रहा है इन रुपीस, इट वाज थ्री मोर देन twice the number of articles produced on that day. Means the cost of production is depending on number of articles produced on the day. So we will assume that let number of articles produced in a day is, एक दिन में x आइटम्स बन रहे हैं, x आर्टिकल्स बन रहे हैं। सो कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन of an article, this cost of production of one article depends on the number of articles produced in a day. It is given that the cost of production of an article is 3 more. 3 more means plus 3. 3 more than what? 3 more than twice means double of articles produced. So if the articles are x, so double of x is 2x. Double of x is 2 into x, 2x. And 3 more means plus 3. This is the cost of production of one article. And it is given that what is the total cost of production? In the question it is given that total कितना cost of production है? Rupees 90. Okay, this is given. For example, if let us say if we are making marker pen in this classroom, okay, and if we are making 10 marker pen every day, if we are making 10 marker pen every day and एक को बनाने के लिए if we are spending 15 rupees, so हमारे दिन के कितने खर्चे हो गए? 150. 15 tens are. So similarly here the total cost is 90. एक को बनाने के लिए 2x plus 3 and we are making x item. So what we will do, x multiply by 2x plus 3, this will give us the total amount 90. As I gave you the example, 10 multiplied by 15, we got 150. So similarly x multiplied by 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. So here x into 2x square plus x into 3, 3x, taking the 90 on this side, minus 90 is equals to 0. Okay, Sanjana, what should I multiply? Yes, 2 multiplied by minus 90, we get minus 180. So Paramita, the signs, okay, so what two numbers? 180 starting with 2, 90 is a 2, 45 is a 3, Tulika, two numbers from this to get such that दोनों के बीच का difference 3 आए. 15 and 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 12 we get plus 3. So 15 plus minus 12. 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equals to 0. So निधि 2 and 15 का कोई कॉमन फैक्टर है क्या? ये दोनों नंबर किसी एक के टेबल में आते हैं? नहीं आते. सो रिमूव x कॉमन. इफ यू रिमूव x कॉमन, what is left here? 2x plus here 15. Now Nidhi, here if it is minus, so minus will come here. अगर if it is plus, so plus will come here. In bracket we know क्या आने वाला है? 2x plus 15, that is going to come here, compulsory. So now tell me Nidhi, from here what will you remove common so that यहाँ पे 2 बचे? 12 में से आप क्या कॉमन निकालोगे सो दैट यहाँ पे 2 आया 6 because 6 2s are 12 is equals to 0. So therefore in one bracket x minus 6 is equal to 0. So next step Drishti 2x plus 15 is equal to 0 or Drishti x is equals to plus 15 will become minus 15 upon 2 or x is equals to 6. Sheetal, what was our x? X is the number of articles. Number of articles cannot be negative. So therefore, number of articles is 6. Number of articles is x is equals to एक दिन में 6 आर्टिकल्स बना रहे हैं ये लोग और एक को बनाने के लिए कितना खर्चा होगा सो x यहाँ पे 6 रखो यस सो कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एन आर्टिकल is equals to rupees 2 into 6 plus 3 rupees 15